Yeah, we are now. All right, guys, so here is how everything shook out. Bebop had 1, 2, and 3. Rocksteady had 1, 2, 3. Flowers had 1, 2, 3, 4. And Hard Road had 1 and 2. So, what we've decided to do is we're going to have a drawing for Rocksteady and Flowers, okay? Then we're going to have a drawing for Bebop and just, you know, well, actually, we're going to do a drawing for Rocksteady and Flowers, and whoever wins those, you know, you'll of course get seeds. But to make it fair, because Bebop and Rocksteady was tied, we're going to have, and everybody did play and stuff, so we're just going to have one drawing with everybody's name in it. Okay, so what we did is Rocksteady and Flowers are the two winners. Those are the two names. Rocksteady and Flowers are the two names. The 1965 will be Flowers, and the 1883 will be Rocksteady. And then what we'll do is we'll draw your name out of those for those winners, and then we'll put everybody's name in, and you'll get a drawing for that. And everybody's got several names. Okay, so if you did it twice, you have like you know, Spider-Man, he's voted Bebop and Flowers, so Spider-Man has 2 in there. Okay, he's got 2 names in there. Now he'll only have 1 name when he gets for the Flowers. He'll only have 1 chance in there. But whenever we put everybody's name in, however many times you voted, that's how many names you'll have. So Spider-Man had 2, and Michael Dossett has 2. Liam Mess has 2. You know, Doug Brimley has 2. Harvey Cardwell has 2. You know, so if you voted twice, you'll have 2. If you only voted once for one of them, you'll only have 1 name. Okay, but anyhow, this is what we're going to do. I'm gonna you see everybody's name in here. You can see there. You know, everybody's got their names here. Let me see, so everybody can see there. Everything's not covered up. Everybody can see their names. Stinks when your thumb is messed up. All right, so everybody can see all their names there. Okay, everybody's got 1. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw Flowers first. So I'll pull everybody out but Spider-Man, Michael Dossett, Doug Brimley, and Kathy Duvall. You all will be getting picked for Flowers. Kira will be the one that draws the names, and then we'll draw for Rocksteady, and then we'll have a drawing for everybody. All right, so hang on a minute. Hold it just like that, okay? No, you got to hold it right there over the... All right, you got it? All right, let me get it. All right, see it, hold it just like that so everybody can see. All right, so Flowers has got Spider-Man and Michael and Doug. So Spider-Man, Doug, Kathy Duvall, and Michael Dossett. All right, so there's those. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to fold y'all's names up. Give y'all a quick spin, and then Kira is going to cover her eyes, sit down with the basket, and draw your name. So here, you sit down. Sit down. Close your eyes. Keep your eyes closed. All right, draw one. You gotta go down. There you go. Feel around in them. Feel around in there. Okay, you got one. Yeah, no, you got one. You got one. Give it back. Whichever one you had. There you go. Okay, so Doug Brimley, you are the winner of your choice of seed. If you want the 1965, that's good. If not, You can pick your choice of seeds. All right, so Doug Brimley, you're the first winner. Now, Rocksteady, Harvey Cardwell, so Michael Dossett, so we'll keep Michael in there. Spider-Man's got to come out. Michael Dossett stays in. All right, Harvey.
Do I have to close my eyes?
Yeah, well, not right now, but you will when you get to draw.
Okay.
There's Harvey's right there.
I don't know if I'm gonna win.
Nah.
I don't know if I'm gonna win or not.
Hang on a minute. And Stuart Banks. Stuart Banks. All right, right there's old Stuart. Good old Stuart. Stuart's a good guy. Been subscribed for a long, long time. All right, so there's those three. Give them a quick little shake around. Close your eyes. All right. Get your eyes closed? All right, pick one. And you picked Michael Dossett. Michael Dossett, you are the second winner. All right, now, we're going to put everybody's name in this time, and everybody has a chance to win. Everybody's got a chance to win. So, Michael Dossett is the
flowers.
Yeah, hang on. Michael Dossett was the first winner. Doug Brimley was the first winner. Michael Dossett was the second winner. I hope I'm not messing y'all's names up. And now everybody is going to be placed in here. Everybody, however many votes you had, you're going to be placed in here. And we're going to have another drawing for the last drawing. So next time maybe I'll do a little bit better of a job as far as.
I have to close my eyes.
Yep, you'll have
Daddy.
to. I'll get it. A little bit better job thinking this through. I thought about doing some dice and stuff, but man, it's been so long since I've supposed to have done this, and I'm sorry for the long wait.
I'm sure I'm gonna have to close my eyes
But
once we get the last.
you guys can contact me through Facebook
I think I'm gonna
or
get flowers. I think.
email.
I don't know if I have to
Hang on,
mix
hang on,
it.
hang on, hang on.
I don't know if I'm gonna get flowers or not.
You already picked for Flowers, all right? Flowers is the name of the 1965, okay?
I'm closing my eyes.
And Rocksteady is the name for the 1883. All right. And y'all can see all of them are off the table. All of them's in here. All right, Care Bear. Only one. Got your eyes closed? All right, pick one.
I hope I got flowers.
Flowers name's already there, okay? Harvey Cardwell, you are the last winner. Harvey Cardwell, you're the last winner. All right, guys. So that's all for this time. We do have some other contests going on right now. Go over, check tonight's video out, and you can also comment on the one video that I've already put up, the short video that I put up. We're going to do a contest. We had a pumpkin go down, and we've got the seeds out of it. We've gotten all the seeds out of it. We've combed through it. We've got all the seeds out of it. We're cleaning them up right now as we speak. So you guys can go on the short, or you can go on tonight's video, and you can comment how many seeds you think was in that pumpkin. And I'll have a drawing soon with everybody's numbers of however many pumpkin seeds they believe. The one that's closest within 5. You got to be within 5 seeds. Closest to be within 5. So if it's 1,000 seeds and you guessed 1,005, you'll be the winner. Okay, you got to be within 5 seeds though. The closest one to within 5 seeds will win free seeds from that pumpkin. All right. So check out tonight's video, see which one went down. Congratulations to Doug Brimley. Congratulations to Michael Dossett, and congratulations to Harvey Cardwell for winning seeds. Talk to you guys later. Make sure you email me or message me on Facebook so you guys can get your seeds lined out. Tell me what you want and everything. And of course, you know, you can either get them the ones from this past year, or you can get the ones from this year. You got to tell me which ones you want. And when they're all dried up and cleaned up, we'll send them out to you. Thanks, guys, for playing.